Happy Sunday to everyone. Good morning. We are in Pompano Beach for sunrise. I'm actually driving Lyft and Uber. But I was right by the beach and I had to take a break because I never get to enjoy where I live. So there's the pier, all the seagrass, the sea oats. And it's very hot and it's early in the morning. Just wanted to give you guys, a shout out and thank you for following me and liking all my posts. I appreciate it. And I just wish everyone a great day. And please follow Trippin' with Silver Daddy on YouTube. Bye.